This is from Tammy Sue. She gives us a shout out. I attended the CFO in-person conference last fall. Amazing, by the way. I know Andrew talked about holding managers accountable to metrics. We want our direct community managers to do a minimum of 15 ride-alongs a month. I want to include this requirement to be eligible for any bonus. My direct report said this should be a basic job requirement and not a bonus. What are your thoughts?
Okay, well, we don't put a quantification on that because different team sizes or whatever. To me, if people are getting, what's MVI say? 60-day ride-alongs. Basically, every 60 days, there's a mandatory ride-along from the extraordinary clinical leader with clinician. Because that way, no matter how many clinicians, I mean, that is standard. We find that 6 times a year is sufficient. So that's my modification, but she's exactly right that basically in order to be eligible for additional pay, again, I don't like to look at it so much like bonus, but just, your other parts of your pay. Anytime you can tie a result to comp, you're going in the right direction though.